Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from functional equation, which we will be solving in two ways. So I am writing here M1, which is method number 1. We have argument 2x minus 1 over x plus 2. So x cannot be equal to negative 2. Now in right hand side we have 3x square minus 3x plus 7 over x plus 2 whole square, which we will try to write in terms of argument, in terms of 2x minus 1 over x plus 2. So we'll write our numerator 2x minus 1 whole square. Then we have to subtract the same 2x minus 1 whole square. We have 3x square minus 3x plus 7, and in denominator we have x plus 2 whole square. Now we will be expanding 2x minus 1 whole square. So let me write here 2x minus 1 whole square minus 4x square plus 4x minus 1 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 7 over x plus 2 whole square equal to 2x minus 1 whole square minus 4x square plus 3x square is minus x square plus 4x minus 3x is plus x, 7 minus 1 is plus 6 over x plus 2 whole square. Now we'll write 2x minus 1 whole square, minus is common, so we can write minus x square minus x minus 6 over x plus 2 whole square. Now we will factor x square minus x minus 6, x plus 2 times x minus 3. So we can write f of 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 will be equal to 2x minus 1 whole square minus x plus 2 times x minus 3 over x plus 2 whole square. Now we are going to split numerators with respect to denominator. So 2x minus 1 whole square over x plus 2 whole square, which we can write 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 times x minus 3 over x plus 2 whole square. We will get x minus 3 over x plus 2, which will be equal to 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 whole square minus, here we will write 2x minus 1 first. Now we have to compensate by few terms to get x minus 3. So 2x minus x will become x, minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3. Denominator is x plus 2. Again we will split numerator with respect to denominator, and we will get 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 whole square. Now we will split with respect to 2x minus 1. So we can write minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 2. Then we have minus x minus 2, and here we have minus, so I can write plus sign x plus 2 over x plus 2, which will get cancelled, and 1 will be equal to 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 whole square minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1. Left hand side we have f of 2x minus 1 over x plus 2. Now we can replace our variable 2x minus 1 over x plus 2 by x. So I can write 2x minus 1 over x plus 2. If it is replaced with x, then we will get f of x. In right hand side, we will get x square minus x plus 1. So our answer is fx should be x square minus x plus 1. Now we will solve using method number 2. And this method is, we have argument of degree 1 in the numerator, degree 1 in the denominator, which is transformed into degree 2 over 2 in right hand side. So we can think and write fx should be one quadratic ax square plus bx plus c. Now I will put x equal to 0. So we are going to get f0 in LHS, 0 plus 0 plus c, c in the RHS. So f of 0 would be constant c. Now I am putting x equal to half in our functional equation. Here, put x equal to half. We will get f of 2 times half minus 1 over half plus 2. I am writing 5 over 2. In right hand side, 3x square, so 3 over 4, minus 3x, so minus 3 over 2, plus 7 over half plus 2 is 5 over 2, whole square will be 25 over 4. Now we can multiply numerator denominator by 4 times 4 times 4. So we can cancel denominator 4. Here this is 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we can write f of 0 equal to 3 over 4 times 4, 3, minus 3 over 2 times 4, 6, plus 7 times 4, 28 over 25. 3 plus 28, 31 minus 6, 25 over 25, which will be equal to 1. So I can write f of 0, this should be equal to 1. From these two equations, f0 is c, f0 is 1, we will say c equal to 1, which we are going to plug in over here. So I will write f of x. This should be equal to ax square plus bx plus 1. Now we are going to put x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So let me write here by putting x equal to 0 to our equation. We will get f of minus 1 over 2. In right hand side, we will get 7 over 2 square, which is 4. So we have one result, f of minus half is 7 over 4, which we will apply to our functional equation fx. Now I will put x equal to 2. To our equation, we will get f of 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 over 2 plus 2 is 4 equal to 3 times 2 square is 4 minus 3 times 2 plus 7 over 2 plus 2, 4 square. So we will get here 12 minus 6 plus 7 over 16 will be equal to 6 plus 7, it is 13 over 16. So we have second result, f of 3 over 4. This is equal to 13 over 16. Now we will use these two results, f of minus half 7 over 4, f of 3 over 4, 13 over 6 to our functional equation ax square plus bx plus 1. So let me write here. Now we will plug in x equal to minus half. So let me write here x equal to minus half, which we will apply over here. So we can get f of minus half equal to a times minus half whole square will be a over 4, b times x. So b times minus half, we will get minus b over 2 plus 1. In place of f of minus 1, we will write 7 over 4. So 7 over 4 equal to a over 4 minus b over 2 plus 1. Now we will take this plus 1 to the LHS. We will get 3 over 4. 7 over 4 minus 1 is 3 over 4 equal to a over 4 minus b over 2. Now we will multiply this equation by 4. So we will get 3 equal to a minus 2b. Let's say this is equation 1. Now we will use x equal to 3 over 4 to our equation. Let's plug in. We will get f of 3 over 4, which will be 13 over 16 equal to a times 3 over 4 whole square. This is 9 over 16a plus 3b over 4 plus 1. And f of 3 over 4 is 13 over 16. We'll take this 1 to the LHS. We will get 13 over 16 minus 1, which is minus 3 over 16, will be equal to 9a over 16 plus 3b over 4. Now we will multiply both sides by 16 and we are going to get our second equation, minus 3 equal to 9a plus 12b. Here we have unknowns a and b. Now we are going to perform operation. We'll add second equation by multiplying 1 by 6. So I am writing 6 times 1 plus 2 will give us, let me write here 6 times 1. So 18 equal to 6a minus 12b. Now we have to add with second equation, which is minus 3 equal to 9a plus 12b. We will add these two, so b terms will get over. We will get 15 equal to 15a. So a will be 1. A is 1, c is 1. Now we will use this equation, equation 1. We will write 3 equal to a is 1. So 1 minus 2b. So 2b will be equal to minus 2. So b will be equal to minus 1. b minus 1, a plus 1, c is 1. Let us plug in over here. So we will get equation f of x. A is plus 1, so x is square. B is minus 1, so minus x. C is already 1. So our answer is fx equal to x square minus x plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.